It is not your birth that makes you Jamaican. It is the choices you make for your country.
It's not your birth that makes you Jamaican. That's a comment that was made by Dr. Holness, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, on the 2025 leaders debate last night. And I realize a lot of persons are taking it out of context, or I think some are even purposely misconstruing what was meant by this. And to me, it was clear. I think some people generally might not understand it, but take my small little explanation. What he meant by this, or what I think he meant by this, let me say that, was that indeed, it's not your birth that makes you a true Jamaican. As you have Jamaicans who were born in Jamaica but has no good intention for Jamaica. You have Jamaicans who were born in Jamaica but think nothing good of Jamaica. You have Jamaicans who were born in Jamaica but holds Jamaica in the lowest of regards. Yet you have Jamaicans who, regardless of what is going on in Jamaica, wants to build Jamaica and wants to see the best for Jamaica. So I think that's what he meant. Your birth paper in the context of Mark Golden does not make you a true Jamaican. It is your intentions and your heart. This is not me saying Mark Golden is not a Jamaican, because I'm going to do another video on people questioning his birth paper and his citizenship as a Jamaican, which is stupid to me. But hey, these are just my thoughts. What are yours? Please drop them in the comment section.